Big breaking news that's coming in. The DCGI has approved phase 2 and phase 3 of clinical trials of Covaxin in the age group of 2 to 18 years. Bharat Biotech will be conducting the trials in 525 healthy volunteers. Big breaking news that's coming in. Trials will be conducted phase 2 and phase 3 on children now aged between 2 to 18 years of age. Sneha Mardani is joining us with more details on this. Sneha, a big development. A lot of talk was also on this, considering that India is perhaps bracing for a third wave in which experts have warned children will be most affected.
Yes, that's a possibility though. It has been said by the World Health Organization that there is a possibility because there is opening up, children could be exposed and hence get this infection. Having said that, it was of utmost importance that we offer some kind of protection to our children also, given the fact that outside of India, Pfizer, for example, has approved the vaccine dosing in children as well. This is extremely significant from the point of view of offering the age group between 2 to 18 protection. Trials for the phase 1 were approved in the month of January. This is approval for phase 2. After the data for phase 2 is submitted, will a call be taken on phase 3 is what has been communicated by the regulators. The meeting of the subject expert committee was held just about 2 days ago, in which the discussions, as is evident, turned out to be fruitful. There is going to be dosing, there is going to be trials on children, and the subject matter is 425. So these are the subjects that are going to be given the dosing of the vaccine. Remember, in children, the quantity of the vaccine that is going to be administered in terms of the dosing, the timing, the age, the difference in the between the first two doses, between the two doses of the vaccine is going to be extremely different from what is being done for adults right now. All of that is going to be decided by the subject expert committee once there is enough data to show that the vaccine is safe in children and also is providing protection and is proving to have efficacy even when given to children.
Okay, Sneha, for the moment, thank you very much for joining us. Bharat Biotech getting the nod to go ahead and conduct phase 2 and phase 3 of clinical trials of their vaccine, Covaxin, in the age group of 2 to 18 years.